Hi, my name is Tiger. I'm a producer on Nifty, and today I'm gonna talk about 7 super easy ways to upgrade your bathroom. There's not many people with a big bathroom. I personally don't have a big bathroom, but storage space is super important, and no one has really talked about using the storage on the shower curtain. So this product is really practical. It's just pockets on a shower curtain. Put your shampoo in it, put your roommate's shampoo in it. It holds a lot of things, and it also utilizes that vertical space that no one else was using before. This shower curtain is clear, but in case you want more privacy, feel free to not get one where people can see you. Next product. I love shelves. I love creating more space to rest all the things that I have. This one is a shelf that comes along with your toilet paper holder. It holds 2 toilet paper rolls, which is great. Also, it's a space where you can hold your phone because let's be real, you got your phone in the bathroom. You may also have your purse in the bathroom. Well, this is not a public bathroom, so you don't have your purse. You can also put magazines on it. You can also put extra toilet paper rolls on it. It's very practical because if you run out of toilet paper on one roll, you have one right next to it. If you're living with other people, or maybe you just have a lot of stuff, this over-the-door organizer is great to keep things out of sight, but keep your things in a place that's reachable. This is a super easy thing. You're maximizing more of that vertical space that people usually don't use. And another thing, we have a before you go spray. It's a thing that is really considerate for your guests, for your roommates. Use it before you go, and then the smell is contained. It's very small, it's compact. It can fit anywhere, in different places. It's a thing, you know, because who doesn't like the bathroom smelling good? Speaking of great ideas, how many of us have thought of a great idea in the bathroom but then forgot about it as soon as we got out? Being a Nifty producer, I think of ideas all the time. Sometimes I think of my best ideas in the shower, but of course I need places to write them down. This waterproof notepad is perfect for that. You can actually write in the shower, water can go on it, it won't smear. You can even rip off the paper and you can just use it in real life. That is it. It's a waterproof notepad. It's amazing. Next product. We have a waterproof Bluetooth speaker. I love playing music in the shower. I play it through my phone. But instead of playing it through my phone this time, I can just play it through this speaker that's already in the shower. So now I don't actually have to reach out of the shower and then water's dripping everywhere and I gotta clean that up too. I can actually just hit the next on the speaker and play the next song. And we all have that moment where we're in the shower and our song is on, but as soon as our song is off, we're just like, what's going on with the vibe? It's really killing it. So this time, just hit the next on the speaker. That easy. And finally, we are on to the last upgrade, which is a LED shower head. Honestly, it's probably not the most practical thing because it's a bunch of lights in the shower when you already have a shower head that works, but there is a practical element to it, which is it flashes red when the water is too hot. It also just changes different colors with the temperature, but it's also great for the kids. You can tell if it's too hot for them. What's better? You got the Bluetooth speaker, you have the LED lights, you can have a whole party in the bathroom. You have the notes, just, you know, put the invite on the notes. Party. Cool.